What to favor Tinubu will do to Southeast, Remi Tinubu is promising to us when he hold nnamdikanu in captivity. Plan how to arrest someone, Ekpa. They will do you. Anyway, he can go there and promise because who's a good man is the houseboy region. Now you go there, promise. Which kind of promise you promise them? Look at all the sweat of Igbo people. Look at all the sweat of Biafra in Lagos. Remi Tinubu say they should lose it. Working hard for them to lose it. Now you go there to promise them. The only way is people she can deceive. She cannot deceive me. The people she cannot deceive me personally. Remi Tinubu can say whatever she wants to say. She have right to say so. Because the office of First Lady have been created in Nigeria without a constitution. You have right to say whatever she wants to say. Now, because it's the turn of Igbo man. The Igbos are football. Anybody can kick as they like. Anybody can give promise as they like without fulfilling it. When another senator wants to slap her in the time of I don't know but I have forget the name of that northern senator who want to slap her because of her mouth. Where was her husband that time? What was her husband that time? Did Tinubu utter any word? He said as if it's not around. And since that very day, have she opened mouth again and do utter any word in the Senate? Because of this, her mouth is going to Southeast and say they should rejoice. Rejoice on what? Rejoice on what? Rejoice that your husband are marginalizing us. Rejoice that your husband rigged election against Igbo man. He said we should rejoice. The people that will rejoice. The people who don't know their left from right should rejoice. The people when they promise them a cup of rice and the two cubes of Maggi, then they forget themselves, forget their sorrow, forget the impact has done to them. Rejoice. He's not the one who said Igbo should quit Lagos.
But you're saying recently, Uzodima confirmed himself that during our visit, she herself and Shetima, she said, Uzodima said they brought truckload of rice that they will sell at 40,000 per bag. And he said Tinubu is not doing well. He's doing well for
they will sell it 40,000 per bag.
Yeah.
How long will they eat that 40,000 rice? And they eat their future. This is what keeps Nigeria where we are. Somebody will beat you finish. After beating you finish it. He will carry 500 naira give you. You hear him. Babao, toale. That's what keeping Nigeria where we are. That we cannot resist evil. We cannot fight against evil. Long throats. You see what I'm telling you? She went to say now, start talking. It's not the same way Tinubu say Igbo should be killed. People should put out of Lagos. People should lose their properties. They should drop it. Now he went there to talk because her husband is a president now. We should support him. Which can promise what? Which can development Tinubu will develop to Igbos that he will not be able to do generally in Nigeria? Is it not the one who promised Nigeria that if he enter, the poor will breathe fresh air? Is the poor breathing fresh air now? They should think. Is it not the one that if he enter, he will implement the 2014 confirm? Ordinary 70,000 naira monthly salary. Federal government are dragging their food to pay. Now we go to Igbo people. The Southeast will become special now. We become special now. He love you and he's sending army to come and kill you. He will do you good. I sending army to come and run block. He love you. He send army to come and be bombing you. Uzodima will not see that. Remi Tinubu will not see the bombing. Nigerian army are bombing Southeast. Nigerian Air Force are bombing Southeast. What to favor Tinubu will do to Southeast? Remi Tinubu is promising to us when he hold nnamdikanu in captivity. Plan how to arrest someone, Ekpa. They will do you. Anyway, he can go there and promise because who's a good man is the houseboy doing all their biddings. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. As he went, those people with the bowing down. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. She's a first lady. First lady. And Uzodinma is the houseboy. Remi is the first lady. Uzodinma is a kitchen boy to them.
Uzodinma say Tinubu is the best governor and
Yes.
best president.
Tinubu is the best president.
The best president in
Yes.
Nigeria. That if you are fighting Tinubu, that means you don't mean well for Nigeria.
Yes, Tinubu, another person enter tomorrow, be in power. Uzodinma will still praise that one. Before he was praising Tinubu, I mean praising Buhari. Buhari have gone. Now he fails to praise Tinubu. To see that it's a rolling stone. It's a rolling stone. Wherever there's no sand, you roll over there. Can you see stone rolling in the sandy area? It's why is that dry, there's nothing is there. He will roll over there. At the end, he achieved nothing than killing. Setting a bubago to kill his own people. That's the only thing.
But you said they will restore peace. But do you think that she was saying that because of Ekpa, because of, do you think she was saying because of Ekpa? They say now there will be peace in the southeast. At the same time, they're ready to bring back the glory days finally to southeast. Do you think that she was talking to someone like?
Which glory they're going to bring? Uzodinma from the time he was a senator in the North Senatorial zone, up to the time he become governor. Can Uzodinma point out whatever something he used senatorial zone allocation given to him for low senatorial zone? Can he point out what he take it to do in a low senatorial zone? Can he point out as he enters a governor, Supreme Court governor, what did he achieve than to create a bubag to be cleaning people? Is not what he achieved. Tell me any achievement Uzodinma have done, but not than creating IDP camp in Imo State. If you know that the peace will return back to Imo State, then was he able to stop Monday sit at home? Even as Samuel Ekpa is sought out now, still Monday sit at home is going on. The killing on 2nd of December by Nigerian army, is it not part of insecurity? Is it peace? Uzodinma say peace will be restored. Peace will be restored. Peace will restore when you wipe up the whole Igbos. Now their property in Lagos, you want to take it, and want to go to Imo State again, go to Biafra land and take their land again. That is when peace will come, when we surrender to Remi and Mr. President, her husband, to take our land, to establish IDP camp. That time, peace will come. That is the peace they are looking for, him and Uzodinma.
But do you not think that they are giving, if the Igbos give them time, do you not think see them, developing the southeast, giving, building new airports, railways, and what have you in the southeast?
The one promised 3 R's: rehabilitation, reconstruction, and reconciliation. Did he fulfill it? Montella enter and said, as a governor, as a military man, he know he have stepped on so many people's toes. But let us forgive and forget and join hands together and build up Nigeria. Was Montella able to build up Nigeria? Obasanjo enter. What was he able to do to heal the wound of the war on Biafran side? What was he able to enter? Babangida enter. What was he able to do to heal the wounds on Biafra, the wound of the war on Biafran side? Buhari enter. Buhari Dagbo enter before Babangida. What was they able to do to heal the wound of the Biafran war on Biafran side? Obasanjo came back and enter after Abacha. When Abacha was there, what Abacha was able to do? Even petroleum trust fund project under Buhari, was anyone building in Biafra land, both south, southeast? Was anyone, any project there? You come and see only sandboard, petroleum trust fund. That's all. You never see anymore during the Abacha regime. Okay, we may say Abacha regime is full of ups and downs until Abacha died. When Obasanjo entered, even the Obasanjo was the one who tried little for Igbos or for Biafra, because he built the Onitsha Owerri road. Although the road is nothing to right to home now, but Obasanjo time, Obasanjo built it to Douala Road. I think 2 or 3 lanes this side and also the other side from Onitsha to Owerri. I think Obasanjo tried on that one. I will not tell you lie. After that, what happened? To heal the wound, he massacred Odi. That's the healing of the wound. Yaradua enter. Death did not allow him to prove himself. He died. Jonathan enter. Both the West and the North mount pressure on Jonathan. They did not allow Jonathan to settle down, to know what to do. So they said not accuse him. That why are you fighting Boko Haram? You are trying to avenge what we do to you people in Biafran war. Which means they know that what they did is bad, was bad. They knew that what they did to the Biafrans that time was bad, even up to now. They say you want to retaliate. You are coming to revenge. You and the Hilejika. The man pressure on Jonathan. Jonathan removed Hilejika. The Yorubas take their papers. Right. Frustrate Jonathan. Jonathan wasn't able to do anything. Buhari take over. It become worst. Tell me the project of Buhari administration in Southeast than Operation Python dance, Operation Crocodile Smile. I will teach them the language they will hear. Killing. Tinubu have entered again. What is the meaning? What is the project of Tinubu for the whole Nigeria that made Tinubu to pick Southeast? It becomes special to him to develop it. Let Tinubu, if Remi knows that Tinubu means well, him and her husband, she and her husband means well for Igbos, let him release nnamdikanu.
So with that, the reap is not FRS.
Let them release nnamdikanu and to stop mounting pressure, looking for the life of someone else. You should stop it. If Remi Tinubu know that her husband, the president, is supposed to do good things to Biafrans, let him tell his husband to withdraw army checkpoint out of the land of Biafra and tell Usodima to stop a Bubagon operation. If he knows, she knows that, yeah, really, she and her husband means good for the Southeast or South or Biafrans, let him do all these things to stop it, than to go in there. People, you say they should kill them, push them out of their own region. Now you go there, promise. Which one promise we promise them? Look at all the sweat of Igbo people. Look at all the sweat of Biafrans in Lagos. Remi Tinubu say they should lose it. Working hard for them to lose it. Now you go there to promise them. The only way is people she can deceive. She cannot deceive me. The people, she cannot deceive me personally. Even though, I'm telling you honestly, if she come to talk to me, I will just ignore him. No matter, they think that they cannot be everybody with money. If he carry the central bank come to talk to me, I will ignore him. Even the reply I will give to him, he will never believe. The reply I will give to her, she will never believe like a person like me will be existing in this world. I'm telling you honestly.
You're so upset.
Because you cannot go against Igbo man access. They go to Igbo man like promising that we do them good. Who are they going to do them? And you promise to kill them. You promise to rob them their properties in Lagos. They went back home to tell them that you do them well. Which way we are going to do them? Which enjoyment? I will not enjoy Christmas before. We will enjoy Christmas when your husband increase fuel a liter to 1,300 or 1,000 whatever. Then how can Igbo man get money to travel home? on Christmas, say they enjoy Christmas. They enjoy Christmas. Eh?
Two hand embracing us. You understand me? So not like Nigeria, who doesn't want to actually appreciate us. You know what? There is a statement that says, when you lose what you have, that is when you will know how important it is to you. So now, Nigeria now have lost us, the Biafrans. Are you getting it? Now they are beginning to see the importance of the Biafrans, the Igbos in Nigeria. That's why you see them. I overheard, I was hearing that in the house today, they are debating to give another state, Omoama or whatsoever state, Aloma, Anocha or Anoma state. So in addition of the Igbo land. And I am happy for what is going on now, because in America the flag is already flying higher than the way it is in Nigeria. Go to Brazil, go to Gambia, Congo, go to Eritrea, go to Africa, go to various parts of the world that have already submitted their support letter, approval of them being in support of what is going on of this country called Biafra. I am happy. Do you know why? They are trying to prove to the world, more especially England and Nigeria, that the people that you don't need, that they them need them. The people you don't want, they want them. The people you are calling terrorists, to them, they are not terrorists. They are doing the needful. In fact, the people you don't want to appreciate, that they themselves are using two hands to welcome them. That is what it means. In Latin, you know, I believe Latin countries are people like Argentina and the rest. Look at Brazil. Look at this country that is, Colombia. You know, Colombia and Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is more or less, and the Haiti, more or less African, Nigerian to be precise, Igbos, the Biafra. Are you getting it? All over the world, Trinidad and Tobago. Are you getting the outskirts side of the American, Trinidad and Tobago? You understand me? So all these people now are now seeing the importance of the people they call Biafra. So they are welcoming them seriously in mass, giving them mass recognition. You know, before they were struggling to enter those places, but now it's no longer a struggling thing. It's no longer a fighting thing. So far you are from Biafra with everything, every confirmed evidence. They know that you are up to something. And what are you up to? Up to development. Something up there for the improvement, for the expansion of their country. They know that you are coming to impart in their country something positive. Are you getting it? So they are using two hands to welcome it. They are using two hands embracing us. You understand me? So not like Nigeria, who doesn't want to actually appreciate us. You know what? There is a statement that says, when you lose what you have, that is when you will know how important it is to you. So now, Nigeria now have lost us, the Biafrans. Are you getting it? Now they are beginning to see the importance of the Biafrans, the Igbos in Nigeria. That's why you see them. I overheard, I was hearing that in the house today, they are debating to give another state, Omoama or whatsoever state, Aloma, Anocha or Anoma state. So in addition of the Igbo land, the southeast. Are you getting it? And all these things have been in their table for years, which they bring by the corner. Now they are trying to bring it, and it's not going to be possible. And they are trying to do one or other things again, and it's not going to be possible. No matter what Nigeria do now, Igbos has gone. We are going to where the people that welcome us with the love because that hatred is already there. Even if we say, okay, oh, let's remain together, will you wipe away the hatred that is in the heart of every Nigerians towards Igbo man? Can you wipe it out? No, that is the question. Because it's already in their blood. So definitely separation is the major thing. So let us separate from the continental of hatred. Continental of hatred. So the Igbos want to exit, and we have exited from them. So now they are looking for a platform to keep us together, which is not going to be together. I know that the late this woman that saying one love keep us together. Onye konwenu. Are you getting it? Onye konwenu. But is there any one love in Nigeria? No. So on this note, I stand to appreciate all these countries, Donald Trump, the current elected president of the world, the president of the United States of America. I want to appreciate the Alexandra himself, the prime minister, the president of Finland, who acknowledge, who give us the privilege, who give the Biafra the venue, who's in support, in whose country the restoration was held. I want to appreciate you all. And the Finland citizens who fall in love from the onset, even during the Biafra war and after Biafra war. Finland country are the people that give us Oporoko. We will not forget that so soon. There have been a party of helping hands to the Biafrans. There have been a party of support to the Biafrans. And I pray and I say that God will continue to reward you all in Jesus' name.
But why do you think that Nigeria and Tinubu will not let go of the Igbos? Some will say because of their oil. Some will say because they know that if the Igbos leave Nigeria, it will be tough, for Nigeria as a country.
Excuse me. There are many things that is playing against Nigeria when it comes to Igbo. Do you know that Igbos open Nigeria eyes? So many things that Nigeria don't know. So through the Igbo man, they will know it. Now, Igbo people exposes most of the impossibilities in Nigeria. Nigerians to know that it is possible. Igbos does that. It's not only the oil. Are you getting it? If you talk of the oil, I will say everybody go. You can still get oil in Yoruba land. You can still get oil in northern states. But the issue is this. After discovering this oil, did they have the capacity to manage it? Did they have the capacity to use it? Did they have the capacity to keep it for it not to dry? Are you getting it? For it not to be completely destroyed? Did they have the capacity? Did they have the capacity again? Because in Igbo land, apart from oil, Igbos are industrious. In terms of economy, do they have the knowledge? Nigerians, do they have the knowledge when Igbos depart? Who are the people that run the business of the nation? Who are the people that when you make mention of money, no matter the amount you mention now, they will stand. One person will stand and confidently with the boldness and say, I will drop the money. Just give me a second. Who are the people that can do that? You can only see it in Igbo. I get it. You can only see it in the south. You can only see it in the Biafra. Only in the Biafra people you can see it. Confidently, without panicking, without shaking. They are ready, both to their men and their women. They are ready to drop it without looking back. And they still stand. Are you getting it? So, and there are many things, ideas, intelligence and the technology in the southeast, which Nigeria are suppressing because it's coming from the southeast. I can vividly tell you that today we have 3 companies that produces stuff. Solid one. They are from where? From the southeast. They are from Biafra. Are you getting it? You can't get it in Nigeria. Only in Biafra you can get it. And they are all Biafrans. Airplane you are talking about, let me tell you. Airplane.
Pastor.
Bless you. Airplane, aircraft. Let me tell you, Igbos are building aircraft. But Nigeria, out of envy and hatred, they don't want to push it. They will not like to allow that invention to be carried out because it's coming from the Igbos. You see all these aircraft that fly whatsoever, Biafra can build it. But they are just holding on now. Let Biafra go. You will see different kind of aircraft. Any type you want, it will be built by the Biafrans. And even in the Biafra land, and it will fly. We begin to supply and sell to other African and the world at large, other nations. Let me tell you for your information, in case you don't really understand. You know that in Biafra land we have the highest oil gas.
What state?
Imo State. In the world, it was part of the arrangement with the Hope Uzodinma and Fulanis, so that they can some part of Europeans, so that they can use it to curb the excesses of Russian gas. You get it? That was why Hope Uzodinma, person that never win election, was given the fourth man to become the first. It was an agreement. And that was part of the reason why ID camp was brought down to Igbo land, so that they can even eliminate everybody in the southeast and take over. Hope Uzodinma, you and your family make choice of any country you want, and anything you want, we will give it to you. Just hand us over that place. That's why go to the southeast, the most terrible zone to be is Imo State.